Jennifer. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
So I just have been noticing that I am making more plans because of the ARC. I think having the data is very useful and it just makes it very neutral for me. I'm finding that I'm not beating myself up if I have like an off plan. I just like mark it down and then I'm able to look and I'm like, oh, if my weight's a little up, I'm like, oh, well, you had like off plan or an overeat. So the more accurate I find, it's motivating me. The more accurate I put in the information, like the clear data I'm getting, and I really like it. I don't know.
Tell me, I love that you love it, but tell
Really
me
looking.
more about how it's helping you make more plans.
I think I just want to see my trends. So I want to put in the work. I want to put in what I'm eating, if I had enough, if it was aligned with my goals. And even if it was something that I necessarily didn't plan, but it aligned with my goals, I'm like, oh, see, it was okay. It was just like, it wasn't like a catastrophe. Like, sometimes I blow it up in my head to be this big thing. And I'm like, oh, you planned salmon, but you had a Chipotle bowl with double protein and you ate like to enough, like you're fine. Like it's okay. Like sometimes in my head I'd be like, oh, I was off plan. It doesn't count. But I'm like, no, this is like making everything very neutral for me. And I'm just really enjoying it. It's
That's
also
awesome.
allowing me, I think, to plan more of my deviations that I sometimes don't plan and don't eat. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying it. And so just a breath of fresh air, because sometimes I was like catastrophizing things in my head and it's just making everything very neutral. So I'm just really enjoying it.
Amazing. Miss Bartlett.
So I'm on day 3 of the habit tracker. And not only am I doing the habits, but I'm coloring in the little circles. So for me, that's actually a really big deal because I've never actually done both of them together.
Are you doing it on the art? Are you doing it on the art?
Yes. Oh, yeah. That's the only reason I'm doing it. So
Okay.
I also love the ARC too, because when I would do the paper habit trackers, I would do a habit tracker, I would lose it, I would put it someplace, I wouldn't know where it was. Like for me, the ARC works with my life. So I'm really enjoying the habit tracker now. And I also just did a Sherlock-It-In, which I think I've only done one of those before. And I found it super, super helpful to do it. And I also found it really easy. And I like how the questions were there. So you didn't have to think of certain things yourself. So it's really well done.
But I'm also, if I continue to practice them and they truly become habits, the way we put on our coat is we use the same arm every time first. It's just a habit. We don't even have to think about it. That's what we want. We want to use less of our brain juice to have to think about these things. So the more we do them, the more we're consistent with them. We're setting up our future self for success by doing the hard work now.